I'm not sure if I like this where it's small again. I'm not sure I also like little small section around here. I'm trying to figure out exactly why that's there. I think it's because of the viewport angle on this. Okay, here's some of our ships that we have to play with. We kind of got this asteroid that we did a little bit more work to. We made some more of these panels. I say we just build it. We're gonna go to the old friend of Google here. Save vector layer as, okay, I can do this. Okay, this is cool. Now, I just create a custom document real quick and then create this, put it right at the top right. The goal is going to be that it doesn't need to have any overdraw. Okay, we have this. I think we have, what's a better one? I don't like some of these boxes. Let's do this. This here. I'd say like 90 to rotate or no? Transform, rotate. Counterclockwise. Ah. Feels just slightly like making pixel art. What do you think? Yeah, that looks okay for now. Grab that. I'll use this. Copy. Here. Back, get some more piping. Ooh, that kind of hurts my eyes. Sorry about that. Let's grab this. We'll call that a dock. We'll have like one dock here, maybe. Let's case. Have like two docks here on this. That. So we need another piece here, basically. We need some. Okay, so this one. Oh yeah, that blends a little bit better. Yeah, it seems still not to line up. That's pretty good. Probably need one bracket piece here. We need one of these. We need one of these. Actually, this looks more like a escape shuttle thing, doesn't it? Like clockwise. Yeah, it kind of does. We put that as a cap to the neck. More like down here. Let's rotate this. Like, doesn't look exactly the same. And like, we gotta find something. Just like, maybe this will do it. So let's focus on getting these connected. Right? Yeah, I mean that doesn't look bad. Now we have this. I guess technically we could scale up. Kind of fit. Like that. Only one part here that'll come down because this one needs to. Okay, yeah, that kind of works. I think there should be one piece in between here so it's kind of like detachable in case something happens. So I was kind of thinking maybe this. See what this looks like. Yeah, okay, that's what we're gonna do. This one over here. This, rotate it 90 into. And then we're gonna put this up in here. We've got this here. Grab one of these, copy, paste. Oh. What I'm gonna do is just take these and delete these. I don't know, kind of fit them in, I think, like that. We'll rotate this. Now, there needs to probably be one section below this. We do like, we use that one already. I already have that one in here. So we use that one there. You think that one would be enough from there to there? Oh, this kind of looks cool. This would be like an escape piece. This needs to fit to here. Let's see, maybe one more piece, and we'll just do this. I know I keep saying one more piece. It's gonna be like huge. Wonder if this thing's too tall. I mean, I could get rid of this. Yeah, oh. And that doesn't look too bad. Two. Up to there. We have this little piece. Take this. I need to bring this. Bring the front. Maybe and just have copy. Take counterclockwise. Maybe just have something that goes in between these two here. This. Going on, master. That's kind of dank, right? What do you think about that as a space station? I probably need to put something like over here, of course. They're vectors. I mean, hey, this guy made a really good setup of stuff, so why not? Copy. Look, I'm not an artist. Maybe we'll have like copy like 2 of these little things. That doesn't look very bad, right? It needs to be offset, so we'll do something with that. Oh yeah, we'll give it an antenna too. I need to get this bridge. What do you guys think? Maybe that's... Hey, this needs to be... This is a station, not a ship. Dark matter engine? What about dark matter reactor? We just call this a dark matter reactor? Because it's gotta... I want this to be totally self-contained, right? These little weapons right here. Pew, 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 pew. I like it. Maybe middle down ending not look like an ending. I mean this thing right here. Yeah, or this. Like this needs something. Yeah, it needs to connect to this one or this one. This is from like a front perspective. Like a side perspective. On the... Oh, over here? Okay, yeah, let's see if we can find something then. You know what? Let's like add this thing. Let's like add some gurgling to it, you know? Paste. What do you think? Oh, it's like some armor maybe on it? Got a little armor piece. Or that could even be like a viewport. Maybe they're looking here and you just can't see it. You were talking about this other end? Yeah, I need to do something with it too. What about like that? And then I gotta fix this piece here too. I put another one. Not sure what I want that to be exactly, but it's interesting looking. I mean, this is just some of the art that I've got, so we can add like little line them. Maybe this is enough attention for... Yeah, that's not a bad thing. I don't know, thoughts, feelings. It's like it because it's not symmetrical, it triggers your OCD. Is that why it triggers? Yeah, a little bit too. Let me remove that layer. Awesome. So I think what I can do. Yeah, I think it's starting to look pretty decent, you know? Not perfect, but let's figure out a way. Okay, how do I gotta figure out how do I like. Hey, don't get mad, don't get mad. This is true. This is true. And this is more about building an art piece and then reversing how I'm going to do it in the actual game itself. But this will be a text game. Text only. It's not text only. Not text. Mostly text. Well, okay. So we have this one partially designed. I'm going to save this. If we make some quiz in the game, then we can call it text game. Yeah.